Hello everyone. So if you want to set up floating notifications on any Android phone, let's get started. So first of all, you're to open up your settings. After that, let's scroll down and locate our notification settings. There we are. Now tap on Advanced Settings and tap on Floating Notifications. So let's get started, let's enable them, and let's start with the Bubbles option. If you choose Bubbles, notification for compatible conversations will include an icon which you can tap to change the conversation to the bubble view. So let me show you how it looks like. Once again, let's tap on it. Let me send myself a message from the phone. And let's see how it looks like. Yeah, basically that's how it looks like. You can tap on it to expand it. It would look like this. Some applications have more of a settings here, like messengers, so you can reply immediately and stuff. And basically that's it for Bubbles. Works, as I already said, pretty much like this. The second one is much cooler and I like to stick on it a little bit more. Let's tap on Smart Pop-up View. So you will receive notifications that can be tapped and expanded in a pop-up view, and it works like incredibly well with the messengers. So let's tap Included Apps. Here you can adjust which are gonna be classic, pretty much like Bubbles, and which are gonna be opened in a smart pop-up view. So make sure to enable the desired applications, whether it's messages, mails, or anything else basically. So go back, and now let me send myself a notification. Let me show you how it looks like. There it is. Simply tap on this notifications and you will be immediately put to the chat. So you can rehandle it simply. If you want to close it, simply hold this handle and drag it to the close icon. And basically that's how it works. And I think honestly it's amazing. So make your choice, decide what's gonna be the most comfortable for you, and enjoy your new notifications. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.